What's up, what's good, what's poppin', BBs? If you want to see my transformation from this to this, just keep on watching. I'll be putting my gray contacts off cam to save some time. For my foundation, I'll be mixing these two Fit Me's in the shade 120 and 228. I'll be using my Real Techniques blender to blend my foundation. I'll be using this Leraine concealer to conceal my under eye bags and also highlight my face. For my contour, I'll be using this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade of Toast. Next is, I'll be baking my face with this Pond's BB powder and leave it up for about a minute. Now it's time for eyeshadow. I'll be using the brown shade from my Neptune palette of Beauty Glaze and put it on my crease. Using this dark brown shade from the Satin palette, I'll be putting it on my crease to give some depth and dimension to the eyeshadow. From the same palette, I'll be taking this orange shade to blend those two colors out. Using my flat brush and my concealer, I'll be doing a cut crease to my eyes. Still, from the Satin palette, I'll be using this salmon shade and put it on my lids on where I made the cut crease. Using this big fluffy brush, I'll be blending the colors out to diffuse the colors of my eyeshadow. Using this dark brown eyeshadow again, I'll be just putting it on my outer lids to give some depth to my eyeshadow. Next is this orange eyeshadow again on the outer corners also, just to blend the colors out. I'll be putting this gold liquid liner to our cut crease to give some drama to the look. Now, using my black gel eyeliner, I'll be making a cat eye to my eyes to give that snatched effect. Using this orange eyeshadow again, I'll be putting it close to my waterline. Using this dark brown shade again, I'll be putting it also on my waterline. Now, apply your black eyeliner to your waterline and a few more steps and we are almost done. I'll just do the other half off cam to save up some time. Using your gold highlighter, apply it to your inner corners of the eyes and also on the brow bone. I'll be defining my eyebrows with this Sassy Lady Eyebrow Gel. Clean up the edges of your brows with your trusted full coverage concealer. Put on some mascara on your upper and lower lashes and also your eyebrows for that bushy effect. I'll be putting my fake eyelashes off camera to save time. I'll be skipping blush and just use this bronzer to give color to my face. I'll be doing my contour with this Vice Cosmetics in the shade Confirm. Next is I'm going to powder my face with this Maybelline Powder Foundation. Now, apply your highlighter. Time for the lips. I'll be using this Everblena liquid lipstick in the shade of Siennas to overdraw my lips for that bigger looking lippy. For the rest of my lips, I'll be applying this Guerlain lipstick. This lipstick has micro glitters on it, so it will make your lips glossier and more fuller looking. Now the makeup is done and here is the final look.